Hey, greetings everyone. So today we have a power steering pump that's leaking, and you can see right here it's very wet. So there's a O-ring right here that's leaking, and there's another O-ring right here. We're going to replace this one preventatively. I think that one will. It had a little bit of leaking, but not too much. Yeah, it's pretty messy, you know. It just kind of like goes all the way down from here. I cleaned it off a little bit, so give it a little better, closer view. Oops, sorry. You can see how wet it is right here. So we're gonna have to try to clean it off because it's made a big bit of a mess underneath the engine area here. Okay, so it's a simple, easy repair. Shouldn't take more than 10 minutes or less. And I'm not going to have much to say. Just watch what I do. I want to show you the parts too. There's two rings. Okay. This one came. Okay, this one came like that from AcuraParts.com, I think. And they both came from the same source. But this here is for the this O-ring 91370 TA0000 is for the for this part. The larger O-rings for that one. This smaller O-ring here. The part number, both of these will be in the description of the video. This is going to be for the inlet right here. This part that's leaking. Okay, so that's the red part. Well, let's do it, shall we? The bolts are all 10 millimeters. You want to take a rag, put a rag underneath, like this. I would consider this an incomplete project because the vintage of this car and the amount of miles on it would mean to me that if I were to do this properly, I would rebuild the actual pump itself. So there's gonna be some fluid leakage. There you go. So there's an O-ring here. This little friend of ours. Now that O-ring is supposed to be the smaller O-ring. This red one here. Does that look right? No, it doesn't. Looks kind of square. The diameter is... well, it's the same. Anyway, we'll give it a try. If it leaks, we know what happened. So wipe that off. Put that on. So that's in. Oh, that feels better. Yeah, it definitely, it like clicks, you know. So I'm gonna say that's gonna be a win. So that's done. Let's go to this side. That's those two. It's the O-ring. Compare the two. This is a lot more flat than that one, so let's replace this here. No ring there. Okay, that's it. So here, let's talk about this, right? There's a couple things going on. You want to replace this when you hit, so you want to look at this and see if this is actually the problem. When you're turning, you're hearing a, you know, or the actual power steering itself is actually just, it feels harder to turn. Open up the engine and take a look and see what's happening with the pump. Another thing that's really important to fix this, right? Because power steering fluid is, it's very slippery. And because it's slippery, then it strips down onto the belt. This belt can slip. You don't want these belts to slip. You don't want it to end up inside the alternator. That's not going to be good for you either, right? Okay, last thing you want to do is check your power steering fluid pump, the levels. see right here. Here's some lines. This is the lower level, upper level. So we're pretty good on fluid. We didn't get too far down. We do want to just put a little bit more. Get it to the upper level right there. That's good. Maybe a disaster's about to happen. Yeah. Okay. There you go. So that's topped off. Try not to get any particulates inside of the actual system itself. Okay, cool. Oh, we're done. Again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have a comment about something that we can do better to improve the actual video, please do that. Other than that, see you next video. Thanks again. Okay, so again, this belt here is like, it's wet. You can tell some power steering fluid gone on it. You don't want this belt to slip. It's a serpentine belt. It wraps around all your pulleys and stuff, right? Next thing is this alternator here. See how wet and grease, oily that looks? You don't want that to happen either. So this engine can get a good cleaning, to be honest with you. So we'll do that at some point with a power washer. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna clean it off with some brake parts cleaner. All right here, all right here. And then we'll call it a quits. Anyway, if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe, and also comment on it and share. I hope that it helped you out. It's a really easy repair. It should be like no more than $6 and less than 10 minutes. Okay. All right. Thanks again, and see you next video.